Today, I'm going to show you how to remove or unlock Huawei P30 Lite FRP. What to do if you are locked out? Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through what to do if your Huawei P30 Lite is stuck on the FRP, mean factory reset protection, on the screen after a reset. Whether you forgot your Google account details or you are just not sure why your phone won't move past the setup screen, don't worry. I will explain what FRP is, what is happening, and some safe, legit options you can try to unlock your phone the right way. Let me talk about important thought. This video is for educational purposes only. I don't support or promote using illegal tools or bypass method. Always make sure you are the owner of the device and they use the official recover steps from the Google or Huawei if you are locked out. What do you learn in this video? In this video, you learn about why FRP locks happen after a factory reset, how to recover your Google account, what tool or service call center can legal help. Tap to avoid this issue in the future. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment if you got a questions. Hit that subscribe button for more fun help and tech content. Appreciate you watching. Let's go into it. Okay, look on the screen on this phone. It asks the setup won't move to the phone menu. The setup won't move to the phone menu. We have to remove first this FRP lock on this phone Huawei P30 Lite. Let's go into this video. First, we have to remove the back cover, because this phone will do what we call, this phone will use what we call unlock tool to remove this FRP lock. You have to use the flat paper to remove the back cover. You have to use the flat paper to remove the back cover. You must also be careful because inside on the back cover is a connection with the cable, which is a fingerprint. Our phone P30 Lite, some at the back. You can see there that the point, those points, one of them is the one we're gonna use for link to the mask on the phone and they connected the USB cable so that we can remove the FRP for this phone Huawei P30 Lite. On unlock tool, we have to go to Huawei, and the Huawei we search P30 Lite, we search P30 Lite, After searching P30 Lite, we go to Huawei. After Huawei, when you open Huawei window, and we have to search Kirin, and then we choose Kirin 710, Kirin 710. Let's take a tweezer, and I try to show you where you can connect your tweezer to your mass, and automatically you connect the charger USB cable, and you'll see your phone will be then FRP will be removed from this software, this application, what we call unlock tool. Don't forget to open the device manager. The device manager, if it's not open, the phone won't be read on the software, on this application. We have to open device manager. You can open even through the unlock tool window. You can open FRP. So we have now to make our phone off, and also disconnect the battery. Now we open the way, we must disconnect the battery. We have to disconnect the battery. We must open the screws where the battery connector is. After open these screws, so that we can be able to disconnect our battery from the motherboard. Okay, now I want to show you with the tweezer how you can link that point from the test point. You see that point, the small one, we link it with the mass on. Press the command from unlock tool. We choose what you call here the Kirim 710F. Yeah, you can see there what is writing there. Kirin 710S F Pluto. Kirin 710F. And then we connect, we launch the command, and then we connect, we use tweezer to connect the small point to the mass. After that, we connect the cable. Launch. We see when the program is launched, automatically when you connect the tweezer to the test point, and we connect the power button USB cable. So we connect the USB cable. You'll see it will be automatically they communicate. The program will communicate with the phone, and you will see it will format your phone it will erase your phone same time you connect the USB cable. We have now to make the phone on so that we can continue with the setting until the phone it show the menu on the screen. When you finish, now you can start to put the things back, connect the battery connector, and put all the screws back. Put the small glue on the back cover. Put the small glue on the back cover. After that, you can patch your back cover to your frame screen or your back on your phone. You can make your phone on so that we can finish the setting, which it will bring you to the phone menu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, because when you subscribe, we give us option to send you the notification and the more tips and the more video to send you the notification for the new videos. You can go next. Now the phone is open. Next, Skype. So we follow the setting when it's writing there, and then we arrive straight to the menu of the screen for your phone.